newly designed nacelle.
So the jet exhaust noise of the engine is a big contributor to airplane noise. We designed acoustic treatment, especially for the noise signature of this engine, so that as your sound wave goes into it, there's some cancellation. There are 3 different airstreams of very different temperatures, and the chevrons help to encourage better mixing to reduce the noise.
It's all part of the design to bring the 737 MAX well below the required noise threshold.
Behind this face sheet layer is a layer of honeycomb, and that helps with the noise radiating out from the fan. When it encounters those chambers, it helps reduce the noise.
With community noise testing complete, certification is on the horizon, bringing the 737 MAX that much closer to entering into service in 2017.